Anyone who thinks they're reaching their folks by relying on just an intranet is just kidding themselves. We knew something was out there. There was a better way, and I think we found it with First Up. Hi, I'm Tom Hunter, Corporate Communications Administrator at McKee Foods Corporation. McKee Foods Corporation is a family-owned company. We make your treats like Little Debbie snacks and Sunbelt Bakery granola. We've always been fairly strong with communicating to our employees, but the times had kind of been shifting. Employees were not getting key information that they needed, and the type of employees we have who aren't at desks, for the most part, had no real way to get this information unless they stopped at a read a bulletin board. It was very difficult to know what messages we're getting to any specific group, or anybody for that matter. We all knew there were better ways. To me, mix means I can communicate with the right employee at the right time with the right message. I didn't have that option before. Traditional communication departments who are used to doing things a certain way really need to rethink how they package their ideas. People don't consume large format articles as much as they once did. If there's important information, we need to change the way we think about that. I have not seen anybody have enough kiosks available at the right time for employees to go and log on and do anything or find anything out. Having the ability for employees to get information whenever they want or whenever it's available to them is so much different than just having to wait in line for a kiosk. I think since we've implemented Mix, the culture of the frontline workers is slowly coming around, to what it was, decades ago. It used to be small company, family owned, the owners were out there all the time. Now they get messages from family. And I see that culture starting to shift back to that family feel, which is really a goal of the company. It's one of our prime missions is to keep it family owned and a family feel.